Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when snipping tool is not working properly with multiple monitors in Windows 11 computer. Now to fix it, the first step is to do not use full screen in snipping tool. So you can open snipping tool, and over here on the top here you can see this icon which says snipping mode. Now make sure that you do not select full screen. Don't use full screen. You can use rectangle or any other, whichever form you like, whichever mode you like, but don't select full screen, and then you can check. If that does not work, the next step is to repair or reset snipping tool. So typing snipping tool in Windows search box and then make a right click on snipping tool and then click on app settings and then scroll down. Over here you can see the repair option. So click on repair, and after the repair you can open snipping tool and then you can try to use in multiple monitors and then check. Still not working, then on the same window you will see the reset option. Click on reset. Please read this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. So if you agree, click on reset, and once the reset is done, now you can open snipping tool and then you can check. Now still you're facing the problem. The next step is to uninstall snipping tool and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. So type in snipping tool in Windows search box, make a right click on snipping tool and then click on uninstall. Now once uninstalled, open Microsoft Store and then type in snipping tool over here and then find snipping tool and then click on get. So reinstall snipping tool, and once the download is complete you can open snipping tool and then you can check. That should fix the problem. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So uninstall it and then reinstall it from Microsoft Store and then you can open it and then you can check. Now still you're facing the problem, then the last step is to change the screen size to 100% in display settings. So open Windows 11 settings and then go to system, go to display. Now over here select 100% over here. Now everything might be small. Now go to accessibility over here and then go to text size, and you can change the text size. So you have to change the text size for each screen, and then whichever size you like you can set it to that particular text size and then check. This has also worked for a few users, so it might work for you, but for many users uninstalling it and reinstalling it from Microsoft Store has worked, so you can try this. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.